grand opening of our beautiful new stadium. And thank you, Garland ISD, for voting and getting us this brand new field. I mean, it is awesome. You can look around, brand new turf, and the boys, and they love it. I mean, they can literally go out there. We played on a lot of places around the area, and now to have a home field that is better than anybody else's, we believe, and so we're super excited today.
I'm really appreciated to get the opportunity to play out here on this brand new field that we were provided by GISD and everybody in the community. So grateful for out here, love the new field, and I just love being out here.